Ji beta, Assalamu alaikum. I'll give you the recap of previous lesson first. In previous lesson, we have completed the topic Journal Ziaul Haq. First, we have done short questions. ठीक है beta? So total 10 short questions we have done. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can check in your journal. If anything is missed, then you have to complete it. ठीक है beta? Then we have done 7-mark questions. Total 4 7-mark question we have done. And then in previous class, we have done a 14-mark question, which was how successful were the policies of Journal Ziaul Haq during 1977 to 88. Right, beta? So in this way, we have done 4-mark question, 7-mark question, and 14-mark question with the topic of Journal Ziaul Haq. Right, beta? So now we are going to start new topic here, which is related to Benazir Bhutto. ठीक है? Because after 1988, Benazir Bhutto's time period started. ठीक है? So I'm going to share my screen with you. G. Right. Now we are going to review Benazir Bhutto. I just want to tell you that Benazir Bhutto came into power 2 times. ठीक है? यानी she became Prime Minister of Pakistan 2 times. First tenure started 1988 and ended in 1990. The second phase started 1993 and ended in 1996. Right, beta? So first of all, we have to go through the intro of Benazir Bhutto. Right? I'm going to share with you the PowerPoint presentation. Can you see my screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So if you can see my screen, would you read, please? This comes under the intro of Benazir Bhutto's first government, yani first tenure. First time when she became the prime minister, she ruled over Pakistan about 2 years. तो इसमें हम जो अभी आपके साथ information share कर रहे हैं, it's related to first government of Benazir Bhutto. जी, would you read for me? जी बेटा. Let's start. Can you see my screen, Sarosh?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so point number 1 is given here because I'm giving you a brief intro of first government of 1988. ठीक है? She became co-chairperson of PPP along with her mother. Right? Co-chairperson. Do you know this term? Can anyone give me answer? It means that she was sharing chairpersonship with her mother, right? She won the elections 1988 and became the first lady Muslim prime minister. She was welcomed by the people at the end of dictatorship. She promised to restore the political freedom and introducing social and health reforms. She restarted the unions. She spread the electricity across the rural areas of Pakistan. Unemployment and inflation increased during his first tenure. ठीक है? Her government failed to deal with the growing drug and abuse problems. She rejoined the Commonwealth. She participated in the SAARC. SAARC is an abbreviation of South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation Summit Conference in 1988. She signed 3 peace agreements with India. She made Sindhi as compulsory subject till secondary level. She reserved the seats of Sindhis in civil services. She also made the Sindhi as court language in province Sindh. During her time, Pakka Kila massacre took place. Pakka Kila massacre, this was an incident, it was a tragic incident in which more than 300 people were killed, including 31 women and children. Her government was dismissed by Ghulam Ishaq Khan because of corruption. Right, beta? So I shared information related to first tenure of Benazir Bhutto. Do you have any query regarding this?
No, miss.
Okay, right. Then we comes on next, because in first lesson, I'll give you a complete review of first tenure of Benazir Bhutto. Then we will attempt question answers. Okay? Okay, now comes
ठीक है,
on
miss.
questions. Now comes on questions. Who was Benazir Bhutto? Please write this question. It's a 4-mark question. Who was Benazir Bhutto? 4-mark. Please write. Have you written, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now comes on answer. G. Again, I'm going to share this screen. Now you will choose 4 sentences, any 4 facts from the given information which I'm sharing with you. Can you tell me how you are going to start your answer? G, who will tell me? Sentence number 1, how you are going to start your answer? Can I name? Ahmed Aziz, Hasham Kadir, Huzefa, Ahmed Gori, Sadur Rahman, Sarosh. It's very easy. You can
Miss,
choose. G,
Miss
please.
Canada.
Yes, please.
Benazir Bhutto was a co-chairperson of People's PPP along with her mother.
Yes, I just correct your sentence. Benazir Bhutto became co-chairperson of PPP along with her mother during 1988. Yeah, in 1988. Right? Please write this sentence. This would be the first fact for your answer. Have you done it? All of you, please write answer. G. Now comes on second fact, yani second sentence. Now you have got 1 number out of 4, right? So second sentence, would you choose second sentence?
Yes, miss.
Please,
She won the elections in 1988 and became the first lady Muslim prime minister.
Very right, very right. Please write in your journal. Auntie, please write in your journal. It means that you got 2 marks out of 4. Right, beta? Have you done it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now comes on third mark, any third fact. G, would you tell me what would be the third fact?
Miss, she was welcomed by the people at the end of the dictatorship.
Right, right, right. But please add something more in this sentence because now you are giving a complete picture of his first tenure. Okay, and we have only 2 marks. 2 marks to give a complete picture of his tenure. So please add some more information. She was welcomed by the people at the end of dictatorship because she promised to introduce radical social and health reforms. Right, beta? May I repeat?
Yes, miss.
Okay, she was welcomed by the people at the end of dictatorship with the promise or with the radical reforms to introduce social and health reforms. Have you done it? Health reforms.
No, miss.
Okay, please complete. She was welcomed by the people at the end of dictatorship because she promised to introduce radical social and health reforms. Right, beta? G. Now we are going to give fourth fact. Okay? Fourth fact would be the end of his government. Okay? How you are choosing the fourth fact? What would be the fourth fact? G. Would you share?
Miss, her government failed to deal with the growing drug and abuse problems.
Okay, right. Very right. Very right. Government failed, her government failed to deal with the growing drug and abuse problems along with unemployment and inflation. Right? Ji beta. Right? Have you done it?
नहीं मिस बस ये लास्ट वाली लाइन है.
Okay, okay. Please complete. I repeat, her government failed to deal with the growing drug and abuse problem along with unemployment and inflation.
Done, miss.
Right. Last sentence we have to add how his government ended. Look at this. Her government was dismissed by Ghulam Ishaq Khan because of corruption in 1990. This would be the last sentence. Right, beta?
Okay, miss.
Now, all of you have done it.
नहीं मैं से लिख रहा हूँ बस एक मिनट.
Okay, please complete. Then we have to attempt the other question.
Done, miss.
Done. Very good. Very good. It means that we have done question number 1. Who was Benazir Bhutto? This was 4-mark question. ठीक है बेटा? अब now we have practiced as well that how we can get full number in 4-mark question. Yani I gave you skills how to attempt 4-mark question or how to compile information for 4-mark question. Am I clear, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now I'll share my another screen with you. So please wait. Now look at my other screen as well, beta. Can you see my screen, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now write down question number 2. What problems were faced by Benazir Bhutto during 1988 to 90? Right? Beta, as earlier, I gave you a complete picture of first tenure. So we are going to compile information on the basis of information which we shared earlier. ठीक है? अब देखो हम कैसे इसको आंसर करते हैं 4-mark question को. You have written question, beta?
जी मिस लिख लिया.
Okay. Ab now comes on answer. Because here our focused area is problems. So we will describe problems only. Look at this. Benazir Bhutto. Ab now you are writing in your journal, beta. Benazir Bhutto continuously faced opposition from the other political parties. She made government in She made government in 1988 with the coalition of MQM. You know this term MQM is Muttahida Qawmi Movement, because in earlier stage it was known as Muhajir Qawmi Movement, but now we call it Muttahida Qawmi Movement. Right, beta?
Yes, miss.
But faced opposition to her rule by IJI. IJI stands for Islamic Jamhuri Ittihad. Led by Nawaz Sharif. Who was the Chief Minister of Punjab. And belonged to one of the wealthiest families. Right? She was unable to challenge the influence of the military and the intelligence agencies. As she feared she might be overthrown. Just 11 months after taking office, she faced a no confidence motion in the National Assembly. And was saved by just 12 votes. She had the conflict with the President Ghulam Ishaq Khan. She could not fulfill her promises for employment and economic development programs and lost her popularity. Right, beta? Sarosh, would you please off your mic? Thank you. Right, beta. So we have completed this top answer number 2. Now I'll give you a recap that I have mentioned 4 problems here. Number 1 problem was his coalition government. Okay? Due to coalition, this government was a weak government. That is why she remained under pressure. Number 2, he also faced opposition from IJI. Next, he also faced the influence of military, and then his conflict with the President Ghulam Ishaq Khan. And at the end, we will also mention that she unable to fulfill her promises with the people of Pakistan. So in this way, we are going to respond to problems faced by Benazir Bhutto's government in first tenure. Right? So we have done question number 1, then question number 2. Now comes on question number 3. Question number 3, what was Pakka Killa massacre? We have read in intro about Pakka Killa massacre. So we are going to attempt it in FOMA question as well. So write question number 3. What was Pakka Killa massacre? Ji beta, have you done it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now comes on answer. On 30th September 1988, some Sindhi militants on motorbikes fired into a crowd in Hyderabad. And killed 250 Muhajirs. This led to widespread violence in Karachi, violence continued with 100 more deaths. In 1989-90. Next point. In 1990, a crackdown was launched in Hyderabad a shoot on site curfew was imposed and a police house to house search operation began. Fighting broke out and 31 children and women were killed. The incident became famous as Pakka Killa massacre. This led to retaliations in Karachi and over 300 more deaths. Right, beta? So now we have done answer number 3, which was again 4-mark question. Ji beta, have you done it?
Messi last time read.
Okay, please complete. Then I'll give you a recap of the whole lesson. G. Yes, beta, have you done it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now I'll give you a I'll wrap up this lesson. Okay. Look at this. I share with you in the starting. I'll share with you the information about first tenure of Benazir Bhutto. Okay. This was important event of Benazir Bhutto. Then I'll share the second slide with you. And after that, we started to answer questions. Okay, short questions. In this topic, we have done total 3 short questions. Question number 1, which we have done, was who was Benazir Bhutto? Then we completed question number 2, what problems were faced by Benazir Bhutto during 1988 to 90. And after that, we have done question number 3, what was Pakka Kila massacre? Okay? So now we have completed short questions related to first tenure of Benazir Bhutto. In tomorrow's class, we will complete 7-mark question. Okay? Inshallah, we will complete 7-mark question in next class.